Lost Ark players have been experiencing heavy traffic or constantly getting disconnected from the game since its launch. If you also encounter the cannot connect to the server error while playing Lost Ark, this guide is for you. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Before you try out a fix, make sure you have a stable internet connection, and ensure that no one else is eating up any bandwidth, such as downloading a movie or other big file in your household. Method 2. Check server status. If your search has revealed that Lost Ark is currently dealing with a server issue, there's nothing you can really do other than wait for the problem to be fixed. Method 3. Restart Steam. Many players have been able to solve the cannot connect to the server error by simply restarting the game or Steam client. Although it seems like a temporary workaround and you may have to try multiple times, it's the quickest fix you can try. Method 4. Verify integrity of game files. Open your Steam library and find Lost Ark. Right-click the game, then click Properties. Click Local Files, then click Verify integrity of game files. Method 5. Disable proxy. VPN service. In case you are using any proxy or VPN service while playing this game, then I suggest you make sure to disable it. Yes, many users find that the issue gets fixed automatically when they disable their VPN. So, you can try this out and check if it really helps you to fix the bug or not. Method 6. Configure your firewall settings. Open Control Panel, select View by Small Icons, then click Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Scroll down to see if Lost Ark is on the exception list. If you can't find Lost Ark in the exception list, click Change Settings, then click Allow another app. Click Browse. Navigate to Lost Ark game folders and add the game executable to the list. Find Lost Ark on the list, tick the checkbox of Private Network, and click OK. This will ensure your firewall won't block the game connection when you're using a private network, for example, your home Wi-Fi. For safety reasons, I recommend you only select the private network, but you're welcome to allow the game through all types of networks if needed.